Now, perhaps this does not come as a surprise given Sipho Mbule's reduced minutes over the last couple of months since returning from the Africa Cup of Nations with the national team Bafana Bafana. Remember that Mbule did join Orlando Pirates on a season-long agreement with the option to have it exercised at the end of that campaign. Started off well, even won the hearts of many, including Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Bruce, who then took him into the squad to go to the AFCON, almost guaranteeing him that if he stays on form, he will be going to the World Cup in Mexico, USA and Canada. But form dipped. Mbule fell out of favor in terms of the starting 11 and the matchday squad with coach Absalam Wadu at Orlando Pirates, and now his agent Mike McCabe has confirmed to me that the player will be leaving the mighty Buccaneers. It means that option that he had has not been triggered by the club, and therefore he will now look for a fresh start elsewhere. That is the latest regarding Sipho Mbule and his future at Orlando Pirates. For more updates on transfer news, follow all my social media platforms and I'll keep you updated. Areyeng.